But at least in the first khutbah, I wanted to remind myself anew of these days and what is coming up, and those of us and those men who have jobs and you have your, well, I suppose those of you who have your own business, you don't have to get permission. You're a boss. But if you don't own your business and the business own you, well, you have to ask for permission from your business. There's a difference. I said that a couple of weeks ago. If you own your business, well, you could spend hours in the night in etikaf, in late nights of ibadah. But if your business own you, well, you're a servant, you're a slave, you're a khadim, you're mulazim, you're all isms. So try to be business owners and not let business own you. You be the owner. Islam is all about that kind of dynamism. And when you become a slave of your business, you're not the owner. All right? And it is sunnah to be a business owner. Sunnah. But I never hear about a sunnah where the business owned the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was the boss. All right? Yeah.